Do you want to learn Kubernetes? Well, here's 7 best Kubernetes courses online, free, plus paid. First course, Kubernetes for the Absolute Beginners, hands-on, by Udemy. This course focuses on laying out the basic concepts of Kubernetes in a simple way to make it easy for beginners. Topics covered are Kubernetes overview, Kubernetes setup, Kubernetes concepts, YAML, pods, replica sets, deployments, networking in Kubernetes, services, microservices architecture, Kubernetes on cloud, set up multi-node cluster using Kubernetes. You will understand the fundamentals of Kubernetes. You will study all the basic concepts of Kubernetes. You will be able to deploy multiple applications on Kubernetes. You will learn about YAML. You will learn how to do networking in Kubernetes. The course can be used by freshers having no prior knowledge of Kubernetes and wanting to understand all the basic concepts. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, Kubernetes hands-on, by Udemy. This course gives you a chance to learn how to manage and run Kubernetes applications step by step. Topics covered are Kubernetes installation, Kubernetes pods, replica sets, Kubernetes deployments, Docker custom images, different Kubernetes deployment strategies, health probes, cluster, node port, load balancer. You will be able to use and maintain Kubernetes applications. You will learn the usage of different Kubernetes services. You will study health probes, understand Kubernetes readiness and liveness probes. You will get to know the Docker and Kubernetes relation. You will be able to create Kubernetes deployments. The course is for everyone who wants to learn how to run, use, and manage Kubernetes. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, Certified Kubernetes Administrator 2023 by Udemy. This course is designed to teach you how to become an expert in Kubernetes and also prepares you for the Kubernetes certification exam. Topics covered are core concepts, workloads, and scheduling, services and networking, security, storage, cluster architecture, installation, configuration, monitoring, troubleshooting, exam preparation. You will get to study the foundations of Kubernetes. You will learn Kubernetes from scratch. You will get to know the designing of Kubernetes. You will study security and networking of Kubernetes. You will get guidance to prepare for the certification exam. The course is for all of you wanting to get all the knowledge of Kubernetes as well as prepare for the certification exam. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, Architecting with Google Kubernetes Engine Specialization by Coursera. This course teaches you to implement Google Kubernetes Engine and how to use and manage various applications in Kubernetes. Topics covered are core infrastructure, foundations, workloads, production. You will get to know the purpose of Google services and products. You will learn to interact with services provided by Google. You will get to know Google application deployment. You will study about cloud storage and cloud SQL. You will learn all about the Google Compute Engine. The course is for anyone who desires to have a profession in Google Kubernetes. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, Fundamentals of Kubernetes Deployment by Coursera. The course is prepared to give you detailed information about Kubernetes. Topics covered are deploying Kubernetes, creating own cluster, deployment models, hosted solutions, cluster, pods and nodes, administration, and configure. You will be able to install Kubernetes and create your own cluster. You will learn about the configuration strategies. You will get to know deployment models. You will study about Kubernetes authorization and authentication. You will get a practical session to fully understand the usage of Kubernetes. The course is for all of you having interest in learning the fundamentals of Kubernetes deployment. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Sixth course, Introduction to Kubernetes by Great Learning, free course. This course gives you a complete training guide to learn Kubernetes from the beginner's level. Topics covered are why Kubernetes, container, Kubernetes functions, installation and setup, YAML files. You will get to know the Kubernetes architecture. You will study about containerization. You will learn to install and set up Kubernetes. You will get information about YAML. You will be able to learn how to use and run Kubernetes. The course is for anyone wanting to craft their Kubernetes skills from a free podium. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. If you want to learn SQL, click on the I button. Seventh course, Introduction to Kubernetes by Alison, free course. This training course is meant to teach you the various components of Kubernetes which will enable you to kickstart your career in this field. Topics covered are basics, design and architecture, Kubernetes demos, deployment. You will get to study the components of Kubernetes. You will learn about various terminologies of Kubernetes. You will get to know the functions of Kubernetes. You will learn about the working principles of Kubernetes. You will learn about container deployment. The course is for you if you want to craft your skills of Kubernetes without paying. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.